Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Manivanan. I help small business owners scale their business to next level using digital marketing tools. Today, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads stuck in review. When you place an paid advertisement through Facebook, it should get approved within a day. If your ad is in pending review or in review, even after 24 hours period, then follow the step to get your advertisement approved by Facebook. For those who are new to Facebook advertisement, please note that this is how it will look like in the screenshot. The advertisement is an in review status. So after 24 hours, if your Facebook advertisement shows as in review, then you have to follow this step. So at this point, you need to visit the Facebook help page, www.facebook.com/business/help. This page will show you the various help articles. So let me get into this page. Facebook.com/business/help. This page will show you the various help articles related to Facebook. And if you scroll down, you'll find the Get Started button. Click on that. Here, still you will be able to find various articles, help sections and articles related to Facebook. It's related to policy and account management, billing payments, business page, ad management tools, measure and improvement results, and ad section. So click on the ad section. Here, you will be able to find the help section. Need more help? Contact support. This is the section we need to contact. So now this Facebook chat is closed. Basically, Facebook will work only on Monday to Friday during the business hours. Now it's outside the business hours. That's the reason chat is closed. When you contact them during chat period, you will be able to resolve the issue immediately chatting with them. So else you can send out an email using this channel. With that, you can contact the Facebook page. So using this page, you can contact them and help them resolve your issue. So once you do this, within a quick span of time, they will be contacting you back and resolve your pending or in review issue related to your Facebook ad. Thank you.